Hey folks, so here is my video, as promised, about my double-wide cattle panel greenhouse. So what makes it a double-wide? It has two 16-foot-long cattle or hog panels, depending on where you live, what they call them also. Slight differences in the size of the holes. But they're generally 5 by 16 feet, and they're pretty sturdy. So what we did was lash them end to end by overlapping like two sections, and then lash it together with zip ties. And it's nailed down along this central ridge pole. And we've got the end pieces that are really nice and stabilizing. We've got a 12-foot surround, 12-inch surround, and this goes up 10 feet, and it is 33 feet long by 18 and a half feet wide. So anybody who's a builder can kind of get a good eyeball with what we did here. Not exactly rocket science, but it did take some work. Let's see, what else can I tell you about it? We've got a... Keena, get out of there! Of course, dogs. Keena, go! Come on. I got a screen door here. We've got it cut out for a screen door in the back and a screen door in the front. This went over our former garden, so there's still some plantings in here. This side's been mostly dug out. What else? I think that really gives you a good idea that you can build these things pretty darn big.